Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Reginae Carter. A day before Cabo, this happened. Let's get into it.
Some toys because yesterday I was in Target and I told her and she's like, oh, you in Target, you ain't give me nothing. So I got her a couple things, so I'm about to show y'all her reaction. Rainy, look! It's her, she's so extra. Rainy, I told you I was gonna give you your toys. Girl, why are you so extra?
That is the best feeling when your little sister give you a hug. That's all she wanted. She said it don't matter what it is, as long as it's from you. Oh, isn't that sweet? Reginae and Rainy. She's a good big sister. I love it.
Like them, girl, I know what to get you, you know. So that's slime. I know your mom's gonna hate that.
Pink slime in my house.
That's slime. Then that's a doll. She look like an American Girl doll, not Target trying to turn up. Walmart trying to turn up. We didn't go to Target. We did Target. We did go to Target actually. Look, girl, you said you like the nails. You gonna do your nails? Look, I want to do this with you.
What?
It's like a thing where you can set it up. And then a unicorn. I don't know.
I usually would have this.
What you say, right?
Really? I love you, Tinky. Say hey.
Hi.
Y'all.
I'm stressing.
Hey, Mama Toya.
No. Y'all, my mama, if y'all know some editors,
Yeah,
please.
she is not allowing slime in her house.
She don't allow slime in her house. But guess what you doing? Opening it up. Oh, my food here. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
So y'all, this is my last time eating bad tonight for the week before the wedding. Like, I'm going on a strict diet. Cause like I feel bad. Ryan, you opening that slime? Please don't make a mess.
Right.
Hi. Guys, this is Rain's sister. My sister, our sister. Our sister. So Rain, how you feel about your slime? My Rain's trying to open the slime like that.
Rain.
Let her have fun with it.
No, don't open that in here.
Oh.
Y'all know I hate slime.
Well, you about to move, so might as well slime it out.
You can't. Why, Rain? Why she can't slime it out?
Why?
What? You can't mess her up.
What I can't mess up? Them people house. Yo, now she trying to vlog because she see me vlogging.
Sure is.
Thanks. People just be... And look at this one.
Girl, what are you doing?
It's the fork and...
Why would they bring that in my house?
Can you give me a towel, please?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Don't you see me eating? Look, that's your mom.
Rain, what? Nay, why you bought that?
My eat. She ain't even doing
Come
that.
on, this is fun. I hate this stuff. Like,
No.
She ain't even doing that.
yeah. Why you bought this?
Toya is so annoyed. Rain is having so much fun. It's just messy, but she's, Rain doing a good job. She's trying to be neat and very responsible, She can't help it, but it's so sticky and it's pink and she can't help it.
Just go play with the doll.
Yeah, play with the doll.
I think you got, what's that other toy? See what that you got that unicorn toy already?
Let me see your hand.
Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, it's slimy.
Sticky slime?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna buy this stuff.
What's going on in that box?
I hear it.
All kind of magical noises. I mean, but she is so excited.
What is that?
I don't know.
what was moving in there.
Kicking his feet. He already magical. He's like, you didn't even have to open a box. Let me out.
Ready to get loose.
Wear your handcuffs.
What is going on? Not you want to be 12.
You was right.
Not 12. How you gonna
She modeling. All right, Rain.
lock somebody up?
It's what she picked up and I didn't even pay attention to it.
What you gonna say? We are going through it trying to get Armand. Y'all, we've been up all morning. This man with this passport.
Oh my, y'all. Oh man. This is getting real crazy.
We're trying to get somebody that can get him right through so he can get his birth certificate, so he can get his passport. Yeah. This is before Cabo, but he's gonna get to Cabo because we gotta speak it. We gotta speak everything into existence. So he's going.
Yep, and you gotta pray. But look, they got me on this whole thing. 'Cause I'm like, way before I plan to go somewhere, I need to get my whole thing together. Make sure everything up to date. Get you one of those extra passes where you can just go anywhere. I'm gonna have to get myself together, y'all.
Somebody, they got it, mommy? My mama helping me out. My mama helping us out. My mom. Our mom.
Yay! She said, our mom. That's so cute.
I leave it now. I can't.
Did your mama leave yet? Because we gotta go. Y'all, this is stressful. My lips all crusty. Honey is stressed out. It's crazy. So yeah, y'all, this is what the process to get into Cabo is like. It's not all fun. She's helping. She know I was gonna be so sad. Please come through.
Hello.
Yeah, mama.
So she worked up on. So that's crazy. Why you gonna do this shit yesterday?
Right.
Monday.
He's so last minute.
I'm thinking he just couldn't get it.
Cause we thought the birthday affidavit. I thought that it was gonna work.
Man.
I just knew it. So what they say?
And which one was it at, Mama?
Let's see. I still gotta get my hair done.
Actually, which one?
Do everything.
Alright, y'all. So be back later. Let y'all know what's going on.
They told me if I just show them my picture of it, they'd give me my temporary bitch, you feel me, for a year. But just bring in my birth certificate. You know, I got that large bitch though. You feel me? You feel me?
Y'all.
All the way in Atlanta though, that's...
Stop playing. Y'all. I think.
Alright, they're gonna end the elevator, end the motherfucking elevator opening up.
I want to shout out to Mariah.
Hey.
Shout out to Mariah.
Shout out to Mariah.
I want y'all to go follow her on Instagram. Hold on, let me go.
Please, listen, y'all. Please
Hold on,
follow Mariah on Instagram. Please, do it for me, y'all. If y'all ain't never did nothing for me, please.
Y'all look crazy, but go follow Mariah. It is RIIAH_RYE. Go follow Mariah, y'all. Mariah looked out. Mariah is a real one. I ain't even gonna tell y'all too much. Mariah looked out in Armand. Should be. No, he is. We got it. Y'all, he coming to Cabo. If y'all know, I couldn't even pick up the camera to even vlog this. Like, it was just that bad. My hair is out. My daughter is bleeding. She's on her period. I'm on mine. Like, I told you it was gonna work out. But hopefully everything works out. We good? Hey y'all. So this is the update after 3 hours. We still gotta get him there, get him the passport, but this is a birth certificate. So that's a little update.
We got Charming Christina here. We knew he was going.
Listen, the little rude guy, right? I hear him in the background talking about, oh, that's what they call you about. That's what, okay, come on. Yeah, nigga, you better get your shit right.
Babe. So excited. I'm so glad it worked out.
You really need to go to the office and just stall them. And be like, they're sending it now.
Okay.
That's what you need to do.
Hey, it's 2:30 to 3:30. It's only 2:08.
Oh, it's 2:30 to 3:30?
Now.
Okay, I thought it was 2:30.
I'm gonna go up there like, yo, give me my motherfucking temporary. Let me fly out to this shit.
Don't show him.
Nah, let me chill. What they give you, you gotta turn that out.
Okay, for real though.
You is wilding out, Armand. Leave her alone now. You tripping.
Because honestly, let's not. I need to see the passport in your hand.
I know, right?
It's like every time I get a little happy, I'll be like.
But hey, I got the birth certificate picture. They told me the only thing I need is a picture to get my temporary.
But I think that you should still tell your mama to overnight it tonight.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, just in case. So. And y'all, my mama changed her flight, so I would have been flying alone.
We finna get it. We on the way up there now. He told me to rush up there, so we finna rush up there.
All right, y'all, I'm in a car. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I am looking a mess. I got some shit to do myself. Like, I gotta get my eyebrows done. My nails come at 7. My hair is waiting on me. So really, I'm good. But like, I gotta pack. But I like that me and our mom wake up early, so it's like we get our shit together very early. So we have a whole day. Like right now it's 2:51. So, but y'all, he's in the office. They let him in. So he's in that office right now. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want the police to see me. Don't mess with 12. But yeah, y'all look a mess. Who I zoned that some. But this is the update with the crusty lips and everything. I'm gonna look so much better in about a couple hours. Like, y'all, let's see. This is the real reaction. Let's just see. Oh, that was too quick. You got it?
So the good thing is, I am coming tomorrow, but I won't be coming in the morning. So I'm gonna come here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and get my stuff. But the pickup time here is earlier than what it was today. You get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So today we came here at 8 and picked up. The pickup time was 2:30 to 3:30. Tomorrow I'm dropping off at 8 and the pickup time is 11 to 12. So I will be able to pick up my passport at 11 to 12, then get on the flight. And I want to book it for like 2 o'clock maybe.
Okay.
But they say international flights, you know what you were just saying, so.
So I'm still happy, but I still gotta fly by myself. Do y'all see? Do y'all see the hair is done?
It's cute, as always.
But y'all, honestly, it's been very crazy for me. Hold on. My day has been.
And she don't even feel well, y'all. She doing all this and she vlogging. She going through all this with Armand and his passport. She not feeling well.
Very crazy. All because of this man right here. Yeah, I'm about to tell him. All because of this man right here. My day has been really crazy. He's coming to Cabo, guys, but he's not on my flight. It's okay. Are you happy?
Yes, baby.
We gotta be in good spirits. I'm getting my nails done right now.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you. I'm getting my nails done, but I gotta get on a live for sisters. Hi, sisters. Can y'all get me on y'all show?
Give me a spin.
You see me?
You know I love when you go crazy like that.
You see me?
You know I love when you go crazy like that.
You know. Okay, y'all, but we gotta go get our clothes. We gotta go pack. I still haven't even packed.
Right.
I still haven't even packed. What we gonna do?
We gotta go. I still ain't got my clothes.
Yeah, we both don't have our clothes, and I'm taking time right now because I really gotta go on a live at 8:30. Why I'm breaking out? Yeah, y'all. So we gonna figure it out though. Lashes done here with my two. Okay, guys. So I finished my toes. I just finished my live. Make sure y'all watch Sisters. And honestly, I am still not packed up. Still gotta go home and pack up.
There's so much you have to do before you go on a trip, though.
Oh yeah, that is what I'm doing. That is the process right now. This is the night before Cabo. My nails are done for the wedding. Boom.
Those are nice wedding nails. And congratulations also to Toya. I know she's already probably married by now, but congratulations.
There it goes. Do we love? It's very clean, very cut. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Now, I gotta go pack. Because I'm not packed. Hi, Casey. How are you doing? It's my uncle, my crazy uncle. Nothing on, about to go pack. Whew, guys. Y'all, I am so tired. Now I'm packing. I got my stuff. Getting packed. Armana's downstairs asleep. I'm so tired. Like,
It's been a long day, girl. You got everything done, though. That's good.
my mom's getting married, though, so we gotta keep the spirit up. But I am still packing, and I'll be back. This has been it's been a day. I know I probably said that already, but I'm tired. Okay, I'm packed, and I'm ready for my flight in the morning. So, yeah, I'm so tired. I still look cute though. Okay, my flight is at 10 a.m. Like 9 a.m., 10 a.m. I get picked up at 8. I'm gonna update y'all on Armand. He's gonna be in Cabo though. Either if it's tomorrow or Friday, but he's gonna be there. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell notification so you can be notified as soon as I drop. I'm literally sweating. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.